Welcome to Rome Tips. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using SBS Bank, https://www.sbsbank.co.nz. Let's dive into what SBS Bank has to offer. Located in New Zealand, SBS Bank provides a range of financial services. From everyday banking needs like checking and savings accounts to more complex financial products like mortgages and loans, they aim to serve a diverse customer base. Their website, which we're exploring today, acts as a central hub for accessing information about their offerings, managing accounts, and contacting customer support. Navigating the site, you'll find details on various account types, interest rates, and online banking tools. They also highlight their commitment to the community and their history as a building society. Further exploration of their site may reveal specific resources for different demographics, such as first-time homebuyers or small business owners. It's important to thoroughly research any financial institution before committing to their services, so be sure to take your time reviewing all the information provided on the SBS Bank website. Don't hesitate to leverage their online resources or reach out to their customer service team if you have any questions. Remember, managing your finances effectively requires choosing the right partner, and a deep dive into the specifics of what SBS Bank offers can help you determine if they are the right fit for you. They might have specific programs or initiatives that align with your personal financial goals. It's also worthwhile comparing their offerings to other banks in New Zealand to ensure you're getting the best possible value and service. Keep in mind that your financial journey is unique, and finding a banking partner that understands and supports your specific needs is crucial.